Hey, I am Chris from Moog, and we are here at Superbooth 2025 showing off the Moog Messenger. The Messenger is the next generation of analog monophonic synthesizers from us at Moog. We wanted to design an instrument that was approachable for everyone, something that was easy to tour with, a bit more of a portable form factor, and something that would be great for live playing, that could integrate into any studio setup, whether it's just a laptop with a DAW or a full CV-enabled studio. And we also made sure to deliver the timeless Moog sound, but with a couple of interesting new tricks. Basically, Messenger has two oscillators, and they have the standard wave shapes, saw, square, and into pulse, and also down to triangle. And one of the unique things about Messenger is that we integrated the wavefolders from the Labyrinth from last year. These are wavefolders we specially developed to have a really smooth feel and control, and they really expand the timbral sound of Messenger far beyond what people are used to from us at Moog. Those wavefolders are on both of the oscillators. The oscillators can also FM each other with through zero linear FM, which creates really, really nice, interesting sounds. We'll stay on this patch for a bit. We also have a sub-oscillator, which is really unique because not only do we have square wave on the sub-oscillator, but that can pulse width modulate as well, and it can also fold down to triangle, which is really nice to have a sub-oscillator on it as a triangle wave to punch directly into your low end below your main oscillators, but not add a lot of harmonics on top. We also have the Moog transistor ladder filter that you all know and love, but we did some really unique things with it this time. We kept the topology exactly the same, but by tapping different outputs of the filter and mixing it together in different ways, we're able to achieve some interesting new things. One of those is, we have the 4-pole classic low-pass response. We also have a 2-pole low-pass response for a bit of a brighter tonality, a bandpass filter, and a high-pass filter, which are really nice and unique things on Messenger. And we also have resonance compensation. So Moog users will know that as you increase the resonance of the filter, the low end gets cut out. But if you engage the res bass switch, that restores the low end. And that's toggleable, so you can have it either in the vintage mode or with this resonance compensation. We've been having a lot of fun playing with the ladder filter at high resonance values, but with the low end in, and we can get a lot of interesting new sounds. In the filter section, we also have feedback, which feeds back the mixer on itself, which gives a nice. It can give anything from drive to sort of more chaotic sounds, and also filter FM from oscillator 2, which can be, again, another really nice timbral control. Other than that, we have two envelopes, ADSR, one for the filter, one for the amplifier. They are multi-trig capable, so you can change whether the envelopes re-trigger if you're playing legato style. They're both velocity sensitive, and they also both can loop, which can give you a lot of flexibility. We have two LFOs. The LFO2, which is a performance control LFO, it's tied to the left-hand controller. It can go to the filter cutoff, or the amplifier, or the pitch. And we also have LFO1, which is a little more flexible, selectable wave shapes, selectable destinations, bipolar, LFO depth, keyboard reset, things like that. And also the LFO and envelopes can be routed to modulate other controls for a deeper level to the sound. We wanted Messenger to be very hands-on and approachable, so that what you see is what you get, not per function, so that anyone can come up and start making great sounds, but also have those deeper programmability capabilities, so you can really kind of go further with the sound design. It's 16 banks of 16 presets, so it's really lots of different sonic territories that Messenger can cover. We have a sequencer and arpeggiator, which features some deeper things from the sequencer and arpeggiator we developed for Muse. including probabilistic behavior. You can program the arpeggiator to program rhythms, and lots of other things. The sequencer is really, let's see. The sequencer is really easy. Just hit record, punch in some notes, play it back. Oh, there's already a sequence in here, but we have C-beam gate in and out, analog clock in and out, expression pedal input, MIDI over 5-pin DIN or USB-C, external input to go to the filter. Yeah, that's Messenger. We're super excited about it. We think it sounds really, really amazing. It's really, it feels amazing. We're excited to have an instrument of this form factor for people to be able to more easily tour with and perform with, and put in a bag and bring to their next gig or whatever. And yeah, that's Messenger.